You love aquarium. Your G cephalopod hostile is here.
You're right. Where are you? What the? Wait, what are you gonna do? Hey, hey.
Lil bro. Can I throw this over and like fucking kill you with it?
No, you can't, because
I
I'm
just went the wrong
giving
direction
me.
for some reason. Why did that knock you out?
Like...
Get out of it.
Oh no.
Wait, can I make a ramp up there using this?
We need another bench.
We do. We can either make a fort or we can make like a ramp up to there. I'm gonna throw this in the water to see if it floats. No, cephalopod hostile. No, cephalopod hostile. They do not float.
They sink. Oh, what?
Thank you, G. He actually got me out. He's my G. He's my bro.
Yeah, he's such a G.
We should back the fuck away from it though.
Yeah. Are
you gonna use that as a shield in case it grabs you?
Yeah.
I'll grab the other end.
I guess.
We got twist it. We got
holy order.
Oh God!
To Jesus
almost ran directly into it.
Charge from the temple. Wait! Wake up!
Oh,
wake up! No! No!
You're on your own, Noble.
No! Wake up! Ow! This fucking cephalopod just No way!
There's a broken
I'm all
hitbox.
right.
You can
I'm
grab
all good.
the
Wake up now, Miss Morning.
Miss Morning,
wake up! Too good. Can't be beat. Hey!
Why of all times for you to get knocked out did it wait until that you were overhanging the void?
Oh my god, no.
You love Subway. It's your favorite.
I hate Subway. Yeah, you can't get me now. Hey. Damn, bitch! No, wake up!
What's funny is I think I knocked myself out.
Damn it! No, wake up! Hey, fuck you! Piece of shit! Big fuck you! No!
KJ,
you're coming with me! You're coming with me!
Or you could climb up with me. You're gonna run out and die. You could have just climbed up. I was letting you climb up, and instead you grabbed on and kept pulling back.
Yeah, so fair. Why? Why does it take so fucking long? Get out of here!
I got us, KJ.
What are we gonna do, Blitz? What are we gonna do?
I know what you're gonna do.
No!
I think Blimp is my least favorite. I don't know if you share that, but like, it's just kind of boring. Like Roof is such a good map. We should so break the fucking glass again.
Roof is stupid.
You love roofs. Actually, can I headbutt it? Like, is there any way to hit this without fucking... Every time you go anywhere near the glass, it fucks you over.
I bring it down. Ow! Too far down. Too far. Wait.
No, I think that's good.
I'm ready. Let's go. That
I feel like
sucks.
that's actually gonna
I
be
want
safe
my-
up there. See if I can
I
like jump
want
to the
my
top
money
of
back. I'm like a stripper in here.
it. A stripper cage.
Bad.
What the hell? You can get
What was
hella
that?
high on here. There's a shark.
The sharks will never get me in here. I'm KJ gaming me.
Oh shit! The cage
Ha!
started shaking.
BLITZ.
Oh my
Wait,
god, it's pulling you
BLITZ.
towards. Oh, it's gonna lift up
What's-
though, cause it should.
Oh,
I'll
can
pull
you
you
lift
up.
me up still?
This way. Oh shit!
BLITZ! Watch out! Run! Quickly, let's get in!
I'm trying. You're holding on to me.
I'm sorry, wait. Quickly, let's get in! Wait, I'll turn it around. Quickly, let's get in! Get in, BLITZ!
Ah! Ah!
What the hell? What
Oh,
the
no.
fuck? Oh my god!
Why is it just
BLITZ!
holding my goggles? It like gave me a
Wait,
nibble.
wait.
Are you still in the cage? No. Were you still in the cage? I'm assuming you climbed out.
Yeah,
I pulled the
yeah,
cage
I was
back up,
trapped in
or
the
I was trying to.
Yeah. Watch this baller's shortcut.
I
Because I'm
wonder-
KJ gaming me.
You go down there. I'm gonna try to like. I want to see if I can climb up the crane.
Actually, wait, I want to try that too.
Grab that.
Oh wait, I forgot about the birds. Maybe not actually.
The birds are my G. Oh, fuck off, birds!
The birds just can't wait.
Help me! Okay, I'm gonna hide in here.
Don't worry, we'll be safe. I'll scare off the birds.
Can't they
Uh-oh.
break the glass?
Break 'em ankles. Let's go.
I'm like holding the door. Oh no!
Oh no! Run! Run!
I almost fell down.
Oh my. What?
Huzzah! Wait, you can actually lift up the crane. You can get on top. Wait, so at its lowest extension. So look, there's actually a. I don't know if you saw right there. There's a
Pardon?
container on it, like from the container map.
There actually?
Yeah, there is.
I can't get
I
up.
could swing it back so you could see.
No, I do not. Oh wait. Yeah.
You love gondola. You
I
said it
hate
reminds you
gondola.
of being in Granada.
Yeah. Fuck you.
You little
Ha
shit
ha
bag.
ha. You'll never get me now. Oh.
You just almost fucking kick-flipped off the map. See, yours is made by Ford.
Don't say
Mine's
it.
Rolls
No.
Royce.
Okay.
What?
Oh. Nothing. Don't worry about it.
What?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. Ah! No.
I just fucking blitzed you. Where do you think I get my name from? This is my world, bitch.
I'll hurt you. I'm KJ Gaming! No. Ha! Hit with that dandruff maneuver. Fucking fine
Hey,
bitch.
King Cobra.
No! Wake up! Wake up! Ah!
It's funny because this map is like the best show of skill. Because remember how easy I was able to kill you every other time? You're getting better.
And you
Do you think that like the map will collapse over time on this one?
Maybe.
I wonder what. I feel like Gondola they used to collapse, but obviously not.
Damn it.
Hey,
Oh, I
you
can
rotated
fucking-
it. Get rotated. You're gonna get yourself killed.
No, I won't. Wait!
Little bro.
Wait!
Little bro, what are you doing?
Whee!
I'm a prophet, remember? That was an accident?
Oh my god.
It was a construction accident, I swear.
Die by now. And look who has the high ground. Oh, fuck. What are you doing? I told you, baby.
Breaking shit.
Ha! Thankfully, this kid ain't even me. Too good. If you'll get in, yeah. I'm so safe.
What the hell? Oh yeah, you are. You are safe.
You're right. So safe. Unbelievably safe. I couldn't be safer.
I wouldn't do that. I would not do that. KJ, what do you think's gonna happen when your strength runs out and it makes you fall?
You seem to forget that I'm KJ giving me Jungle Monkey Dab!
Bro, you went Jungle Monkey and went
Nah, Boo's baller.
Buoy is just above Blimp. And then you're gonna fall between the ice and die.
No.
Yeah.
I'm KJ giving me, I'm too good.
My game just like froze for a quarter of a second, and then when I came back, I like clipped through the ice. That was weird. Okay, there's like a stutter going on. Have you noticed anything weird?
No, not really.
Like every once in a while, it like freezes for about half a second, maybe 1 second.
So, let's, we're all alone in this cage. What are we gonna do?
Yeah, you get on out there,
thanks for
little
the
doggy.
Fine, I've overstayed my welcome. I'll be on my way.
She knocked your ass out when you left the buoy.
Too baller, can't be beat.
Just wait until the rolling thunder comes in.
Shut up.
That was so funny when I just kept making shit up that saying it was gonna happen midway through the game. Just wait for the lightning to come in. And you get hit with a piece of meat and I'm like, see? Lightning.
Where? Where?
Good thing he's my G and he would never attack me.
Looking at my webcam, the fucking Biggie over here fucking looks like a watermark.
Fucking, it does look like a watermark. That's a big pot. KJ? I do that a lot. Actually, well, not anymore. I did do that a lot in the last video. Imagine it breaks under 1 foot of pressure. Don't do it, KJ.
Hey! I didn't do nothing! No.
Yo ho, near the windows we never go.
Hey, hey, hey! No! 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 Damn me!
What are you doing? What the hell is that?
You can't see me. I'm like a spy. I'm like an assassin.
Look,
You'll
I'm doing
never
a
see
scent
me.
walk.
Come here. I likes ya and I want ya.
Stutter.
Ow. 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 Stop it! Stop it!
You're
Birdie, help
definitely behind
me.
my head.
He tried to dig in your butt, bro.
He did start digging in my butt.
Death
What
from
the hell?
above!
Oh my god. The bird fucking caught you midair and almost killed you. The birds are destroying the place. What is this, Twitter? Ah, KJ! Hold
I got
on,
you.
KJ.
I got you.
Can we actually hold
Where?
on to each
Where?
other so that it can't pick us up?
I think so. Get off me, Bernie! Get off me!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Blitz! Blitz! I got you. He got my leg! Holy shit! The fucking...
The
What
amount
the
of
hell kind of
birds is
birds are
crazy.
these? No! No, Bernie! No! Bernie, no! Bernie, no! No, Bernie, yes! The bird saved me! Oh my
No,
god,
the
the bird
birds
saved
put
me!
you in that scenario. You saved
Yeah,
yourself.
but then they pulled me out. Wait, Bernie, no! Bernie, no! Birdie! Birdie! Help me!
I can't believe they almost slotted you into the broken window.
Jesus fucking Christ!
There's so
No,
many.
get away from me! Get away from me! Ow! Wake up! No! No! Get off the glass! What are you doing? Ah!
Are you?
Actually, like giving me
You're
speed
still
boosts
alive.
and shit.
Oh yeah, when you hold just one bird, it makes you in like moon grabs.
Tell me the elements! It's coming! Wait! Wait! Yes! The bird saved me again! Wait! No, Pretty! Wait! Yes! No! Yes! No!
Bro.
Stupid. Hold on, you try and get onto the thing. Oh yeah, I see it down there.
See?
What, do I need to like lift it up?
I don't think you can. I think it's just a little reference to the other map. JJ? Yeah, no good. I don't get why anyone would do that.
What? No! Whee! Ba, 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 ba.
KJ? I would recommend you get away from that corridor area you were just at because the entire floor is gone. KJ! Grab my...
Let go!
You too, Reznov!
For you, Mason, not for me. I bet I can make that jump easily. I'm just kidding me.
Oh yeah, totally. Do it
Maybe
now.
I probably... Yeah, you're right. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. Hey! 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 Fucking wax spike. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! What are you doing? No! Get out of here!
Good.
Go! Shoo!
How are you failing?
Shoo! Bye!
You got
Yay!
so lucky there. I went right in between all of the fans.
Thankfully, I'm just KJ giving me, and I'm too good.
I wouldn't, little bro. I wouldn't.
The black thing! The black thing! I fucking hate this game! It's bullshit!
It's better than golf with friends. By a long shot. I love that now you hate the game, even though it's like one of the greatest we've ever played. I'm holding on to you. I'm scared.
What are you doing?
I'm scared of heights.
No, I'm scared too. What are we gonna do? You fucking... No. Wait! Ha!
Yeehaw,
I'm
little
safe.
doggy. Do you remember? Get her trained. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
That was like one of the funniest things I've ever said in this game. Do you remember what happened when you interacted with those? That exact thing.
No, it was the other. It was the railings. These
yeah,
things.
but they're connected. Oh, yeah, not my fault. Not my fault, blood.
I'm out. Rah! Rah!
Oh, game froze for a second.
Up your butt it goes.
I want to play with it now. It's my turn.
No! No, I want to play. Mom says mine.
It's funny because that is so how kids would act. They'd fight over a piece of metal.
Whoa, shit.
Jeebus. Okay,
Wait!
look out.
The burger's stuck on the burger.
That's how those tiny burgers are made. Let's go, little bro.
Ow!
That was such bad luck right there. You made it up and then the burger fucking slapped your ass unconscious.
Damn it, no. Nah. Ba 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 ba. Banana.
What the hell? Why is it not moving fast? And my camera's in a terrible place. I was under the
stupid.
water, but the countdown went down right before I would have died. You love cephalopod hostile.
You're right.
You love being
What?
asleep. Go to sleep.
I hate it.
Go to sleep.
Go to
Welcome to
sleep.
Neverland.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep and then go to sleep.
Why do you get launched sometimes when I knock you out?
Ah, I got your ass.
How did I get knocked out? You didn't even hit my head.
Bah!
See? You get fucking
Hippies.
launched. Little
Ha,
bow?
you're mine
Little bow?
now. Bitch. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, no, never mind, never mind.
I don't.
Ow. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it.
Yeah, ouch.
Why you fucking wake up so fast? Cephalopod, take him! Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake
How
up,
am I
wake
still
up!
asleep?
How you still sleep? Why the fuck you complaining?
Cause I
got
never.
you! I got you!
You're a hero.
No!
And you got a Russian hero's welcome. Where did you
I'm
land?
just gonna grab
You're
a
not in
quick
the
drink.
water, are you?
I'm over here.
Ah.
No, I'm over here.
Don't do it,
Let's-
cephalopod.
I got you! I got you!
That guy.
Quickly! No! It's for your own good! Quickly, get in the corner! I'll take it from here!
We are
I'll
so
protect
right
you. Right.
Ha, I'm safe up here. I'm just KJ gaming me.
Shut the fuck up!
Oh.
Right? Huh? Oh, what are you gonna do to me? What are you gonna do to me? No!
Just, it's like when you sneeze, you go, Opa.
I hate you.
That's what you do.
It's not what I do.
You do shit yourself whenever you sneeze. Just wait till the lightning rolls in. The lightning rolls in.
I'll chow down in 5 seconds.
I'm sorry, now in 5 seconds. It's okay, princess.
I got you,
Get outta
princess.
here.
It's okay.
Hey. Bro, stop teabagging me, bro. Hey.
The kick is not very effective. Unless you do that. Oh, that was close.
Oh, that was close. Let me out!
Huzzah!
Rah!
What are you doing? Okay. Oh, I thought that was opened.
Meat will help me.
Ah.
No!
I actually knocked you out
No.
with a metal bar.
You
I
dare
fucking drop
hurt
kicked
me
you
with
unconscious.
Bro, my welding helmet, the fucking screen is detached from it.
That happens a lot. Like, remember when I said I was ripping your head off? I genuinely saw your head is not attached to your body. The welding helmet kind of bugs your head out.
No, 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 no!
I was, you know what's funny? The only thing that got us killed is when I was trying to grab the angle thing that I kept grabbing that saved me. It tried to grab your head.
It's okay, princess. I'm an expert.
Ha! You'll never find me.
Can I break this?
What is
There is glass here.
Ah!
I'm vandalizing your shop. I'm vandalizing your shop.
You
Can't do nothing
bitch!
about it.
I'll kill you! I'll kill you! Rah!
This is my world.
No, it ain't. This time it's my world. Ba-ba-ba.
Interesting. Mutually assured destruction. Yeah, I'm just him. Ha!
Rah! Bro. Why Subway? Of all the maps, why
You love
Subway?
Subway.
I hate
Huzzah!
Bro! Let go of me! Rah!
Stupid huzzah.
Rah! Surprise attack! Rah!
Huzzah!
Rah! Go! Get him!
Not in my world.
Get him!
Trawler, you love Trawler. You said it reminds you of Vietnam.
You're right.
Huzzah!
What are you doing?
Get on, KJ.
Wee.
I thought you were about to sing Chandelier.
I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier.
I got you, KJ. I'll lift it up.
Wee! Wah! Oh, thank you, just catching me. Too good. No! Ah! Run, Blitz! Run!
You
Blitz, help me!
sacrificed your
Blitz, help
life.
me!
You
Blitz,
it
help
literally
me!
looked like you went like no and like stopped them from
Help
getting you.
me!
Are you
Help
still on the boat?
me! Bro, we just did Subway!
Subway's awesome. I love Subway. Oh, almost. The hell you doing, little bro?
Nothing. You don't see anything. Get away from me.
I'm just adjusting my camera because I fucked with it. Huzzah!
What are you doing? Bro, I swear to God.
URRAH! URRAH!
Bro. I swear to God.
URRAH! URRAH!
Get out of here. What the fuck? How? You wake up so fucking fast. It's so unfair.
You don't spam them fast enough. What the hell? I went flying. Oh, good thing I'm KJ Gaming.
I'll hurt you.
URRAH! I'm just like spamming to see if there's any new moves I can use. You love grind. It's your favorite map.
Yeah.
Get over here, boy.
Ring around the rosy.
Just wait until the
Pockets
ball
full of
lightning
poop.
shows up.
Fuck you.
I can block off a path doing this, probably.
Fuck.
URRAH!
Get in! Get in!
You almost
No.
threw yourself in there.
Bro. Come on, bro.
URRAH!
Yeah! Get in there! Get in there! No!
What? I was already in there. How did I not die?
No.
Oh,
Yes!
oh, I guess it's just easier to escape. I was assuming it was like the other ones where once your head is there, you're done for. URRAH!
Fucking piece of shit!
It's okay, KJ. You'll like the afterlife.
Fuck you! Interesting.
Just wait until the fire tornado kicks in.
Fuck you. You'll never catch me. Earth is my turf, G. If you don't know how to floss, you'll be lost without me.
I'd... Oh,
Dude,
never
you
mind.
did not just fucking.
I didn't actually.
You good?
What the? So, I grabbed on. I grabbed on, and I was about halfway in between, like my feet were scraping the ground. So I hold shift, my character lifts up. And apparently when you let go of one arm to grab the other, because the other arm wasn't grabbing anything, it decided to grab nothing.
Interesting.
And so my other arm was the only thing holding me up. Yeehaw, little doggy. Get him, concrete. Yeehaw. You almost got it. Wait, there's a board right there. Bottom right.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a close one. Huh?
I love that every time I fall through that, it's like so slow that it doesn't do anything.
Oh, no, no, no!
Opa.
Opa! Fuck! Get off me. Bro.
No.
What the fuck just happened? What keeps happening? I'm just fucking around at this point. That's why I'm just like doing random ass shit all the way across the map.
Yeah.
Also probably why I'm dying so much now. Wonder what these exhaust pipes do. Can I like break them?
I'm the king of the world!
King of the chromosomes, that's for sure. Did you make... So, oh yeah, I think it's out of bounds.
Yeah, it is out of the... That sucks.
Yeah, it makes sense though. It's super far down. It's past the handrail that breaks, and that thing's basically out of bounds. Good thing we're sharing
Inside? No! Let me out! Let me out!
Look,
Not like
I'm
that.
an NBA star in an elevator with his girlfriend.
That's terrible.
URRAH, URRAH!
Ah!
Go ahead. I dare you.
Oh, hey, don't worry. But don't do it to me, bro. Don't do it to me.
What the hell are you doing?
No!
Let's play on the glass. Yo ho, near the windows we never go.
Well, apparently we are going near the windows.
I bet yours is gonna break before mine does.
Oh yeah, let's test it out. You are sick.
We're tied. Every time you touch that billboard, you end up dying.
Oh yeah? Well, watch this! Ah! Fucking piece of shit!
You knocked me unconscious and then threw yourself off.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Give me. Too good.
I wouldn't do it, Walt. I wouldn't.
Grab my hand. Oh.
Did it honk? What was that about?
Whoa. Oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me. I thought that was me. But thank you, I'm just kidding. Giving me. I got you. No, I got you.
I got you.
No. Why is it so laggy? What the fuck?
So yeah, you're having lag spikes too, where it like freezes for a couple seconds.
Let's go.
What if I lock in and then try hard on you and then ruin the fun?
I'm doing so good.
Huzzah!
Ah! Get out of here! Yes!
Is this game retarded?
Yes!
Bro, I jumped in the air so I could drop kick, and somehow you hitting my feet knocked me unconscious.
Oh, well,
even
what if I
fucking
just
hit my
lock in
head.
and ruin the fun?
I said, what if? I didn't say I was going to.
Well, you should have. Maybe you would have won then.
That ruins the fun. Where's the fun in doing that? Let's go towards the windows again. I love when I went,
It's okay, princess.
and I fucking speared your ass through it. It's hard to actually break it with without going over.
Damn it. Blitz, I got you.
Oh, I see what
coming.
the issue is.
Quickly, get up.
Thank you,
Get up.
brother.
No! I never started recording. No.
I'm recording.
You gotta start over.
You're lying.
I'm not lying. I actually forgot to start recording.
Imagine.
Wait.
You could just
Are you
use
gonna do
my
something for-
footage. You just use my footage and mirror it.